Hey everyone, in this video we will compare Twilio, Messagebird and Wati. Twilio, Messagebird and Wati all offer communication APIs that cater to different needs. Twilio is a landing cloud communication platform offering APIs for SMS, voice, video and more. It supports various channels such as SMS, voice, email, and WhatsApp, offering great flexibility. It provides excellent documentation but requires technical expertise to implement. However, its pricing can become expensive as your usage scale up. On the other hand, Messagebird is a global messaging platform that enables businesses to communicate across multiple channels. It is particularly strong in Europe due to its focus on GDPR compliance. Compared to Twilio, it is more user-friendly and requires less technical expertise to use effectively. The pricing structure can be complex, but it offers solid customer support and a good user interface. Meanwhile, Wati is a platform built around the WhatsApp Business API designed to help business automate and manage customer support. It focuses on streamlining WhatsApp customer interactions, making it ideal for SBMS. While it is highly effective for WhatsApp, it is limited in scope to that platform. It's affordable and easy to deploy, but limited for businesses that need broader communications. In my opinion, choose Twilio for flexibility and scale, Messagebird for multi-channel ease, and Wati for a quick WhatsApp-based support setup. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.